Hello guys, welcome to another video. In today's video we have the Realme Note 60X which is locked. Let's remove this lock with the hard reset. For that, first you guys have to power off your phone, as these new phones won't turn off simply with the power key, so you guys have to press the power and volume up key to turn it off. Then after that, press the power key for about 4 or 5 seconds, and after that quickly hold on to the volume down key. Press the power key for 4 or 5 seconds, then quickly hold on to the volume down key. Now when the Realme logo appears, release the power key but keep holding on to the volume down key until the no command page comes up. Then here at this stage, press the power and volume up keys for the recovery menu. Then inside the recovery menu, use volume keys to move the option and use power key to select an option. Select wipe data and then confirm it with the power key. And this will completely erase all the data from your phone. After that, select reboot system now. After the reboot, your phone will take some time to load up, so you guys have to wait for it. Then after that, when the phone finally turns on, tap on the arrow, move forward, set up your phone, and after completing that setup, you guys will be able to use your phone again, while the pattern or password that was set up previously now has been removed.